How to delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can delete photos from Google Photos without deleting them from your phone. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Photos or Google Photos on your device. So once you open up your Google Photos, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, and here scroll down a bit and head towards Photos setting, and from here tap on backup and make sure you have turned off this toggle right here so that the photos or videos won't get deleted if you delete it from your Google Photos. And so once you have turned off your backup, if you go back to your main page and if you try to delete your photos or videos from here and then tap on trash, here it says Google and photos will be removed from your Google account and the devices with backed up turned on. So if you delete from here, all your photos and videos will also get deleted from your device. So what you have to do is you have to close your Google Photos, open up Google in your device, navigate to the search icon and there search photos.google.com. Now you may be asked to log in into your account, so log in with your preferred account. So from here now you can delete your photos or videos and they won't get deleted from your device. Tap on the three dot icon at the top right corner and then tap on select photos. Now one by one select the photos that you want to delete. Then tap on the trash icon at the top right corner and here tap on got it. Then here tap on move to trash. Now you have to get to your trash. Tap on this three line icon at the top left corner. Here now you have to move to your trash. So scroll down a bit and head towards trash. And from here tap on delete and then tap on empty trash. And with that, now those photos and videos will be deleted and it won't get deleted from your device. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.